This short video demonstrates the remote control capabilities of the Leader ZEN Series using the Amulet hotkey DXT-H4 quad display KVM extender host using encrypted PC over IP technology. The image on the left shows the Leader LV5600, which we use to control this demonstration. The image on the right is the Amulet KVM extender display. When selecting the analysis tools on the LV5600, the KVM extender from Amulet switches instantaneously. The Amulet PC over IP KVM extender allows the remote operator to use a mouse to control the Leader LV5600. Again, the control is very simple. Select the analysis tool you require and the display changes instantaneously. It's like the Leader ZEN Series was sitting in the edit suite next to you, or you were in the central apparatus room controlling it.